Are you wasting time building landing pages? Wish there was a way to create awesome, mobile-optimized landing pages right from your phone? Meet Phonesites. What's up, y'all? It's Jay here with AppSumo, the leading digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. And today, I'm stoked to show you Phonesites, the AI-powered app that helps you build fast-loading, mobile-optimized landing pages directly from your phone in minutes. But first, before we dive in, subscribe to AppSumo's YouTube channel so you're the first to know about all of our awesome deals. All right, time to jump in. Check out how easy it is to install a landing page from your phone. All you have to do is choose what type of page you want to install, what website and funnel you're adding to, and then pop on over to the AI writing tool. This incredible tool will help you with anything copy related, from ad descriptions to landing page headlines and product description. Within just a few minutes, you'll have a working template to edit, and all the tools make it quick and easy. Everything is drag and drop, and it takes seconds to change headlines, add image backgrounds, adjust your colors, and even edit the page navigation, all from your phone. But here's Phonesites' superpower. After creating your mobile landing page, you can create a follow-up. This means that you can have an email automatically follow up with users without having to use a mail service provider like MailChimp. You can easily set up the cadence, edit the whole email, and even use Phonesites' AI writer to help you with ideas along the way. All from, you guessed it, your phone. And even though Phonesites is an incredible mobile app, you can still use the desktop version to get even more out of your experience. You can find all your dashboards, templates, and resources from the Phonesites team and community on the desktop version. And then, in addition to some awesome desktop landing page experiences that you can create just like on mobile, it's really helpful to view your entire funnel configuration and add third-party integrations from this dashboard. And that's a wrap on Phonesites. If you're looking to level up your landing page experiences, especially on mobile, start using Phonesites today. Okay. Today. AppSumo to the moon. Zzz.